One small cut for man, one giant leap for tree kind. Let's trim with love. You ever look at your bonsai and feel like it's whispering, "Help me out here, buddy"? Today we're not just trimming, we're gently editing a love letter from nature. Only the best lines stay. But here's the magic. With every snip, you're doing more than cleaning up leaves. You're guiding energy, encouraging health, giving your little tree some breathing room. There are two kinds of trimming, maintenance and structural. Maintenance is like tidying up your tree's hair before a photo. Light, regular, relaxing. You're just snipping new shoots back to the first or second leaf pair. Especially up top, where growth tends to get a little overexcited. Structural, that's where you bring out the sculpture tools. Bigger cuts, braver moves. You're shaping the skeleton, the future silhouette. Best done in early spring, or just after strong growth, when the tree's full of energy and forgiveness. And hey, if you want more of this gentle tree wisdom, our new bonsai book just came out. Go grab your copy. It's got everything from root care to wiring regrets, don't ask. Now here's where it gets real good. Trimming opens up light, air, space. It's a tree spa day. You're helping prevent pests, rot, sadness, general swampy vibes. And bonus tip? Trim branches just above a node, the little bump where a leaf used to be. That's where new shoots will spring from, like tiny green miracles. It's not force, it's collaboration. You're listening to where the tree wants to grow and gently suggesting a slightly funkier direction. Also, wipe your blades. A dab of alcohol or hydrogen peroxide between trees keeps things clean. Sharp, clean cuts heal faster, and your ficus won't hold grudges. Oh, and here's one you might not hear every day. Do wire scars add character or ruin a masterpiece? Drop your thoughts below. I won't lie, I love a little scar. Shows the tree's got stories. And I've got to ask, are you guilty of trimming too much, too fast? Let me know in the comments. We've all done it. Here's a little trick I use. Every time I think I'm done trimming, I wait 5 minutes, drink some tea, and then check again. 9 times out of 10, I almost cut something I'd regret. Your future tree will thank you. Know someone whose ficus looks like a fuzzy football? Maybe send them this video. Trimming's not just care, it's communication. And as always, your trees love you more than your ex ever did. Hit subscribe and let's keep growing. If you've stuck around this long, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending you 2 good vibe bonsai barn bonus points that your trees will soak up and turn into pure awesomeness. See you next time.